Bonjour à tous. Today let's have a look at the phrase il y a. Where do we use it? When do we use it? So in French we use it whenever we have to say there is or there are. Yes, for both the things, there is and there are, we use the same phrase, that is il y a un. So be it singular or plural, it's the same thing. It's il y a un. So it's composed of il, that is a subject pronoun. Il, elle, so that's the same, il. It's made up of a subject pronoun. Ya, that is a pronoun. And a, that is the conjugation of our verb avoir. Alright, so it's il y a un. Let's have a look at few examples. Il y a une voiture. There is a car. Il y a une voiture. So for saying there is, we are using the phrase il y a un. Il y a 5 stylos sur la table. There are 5 pens on the table. So over here it's there are for plural. 5 pens, it's plural. So for plural as well, we are going to use the same phrase. It's il y a un. Il y a un livre dans mon sac. There is a book in my bag. So I hope this is clear that where we are using il y a, that is for there is and there are. Now, what about negation? If I want to convert the same phrase, the first one, il y a une voiture, it is there is a car. If I want to convert that to there is not a car, there is not a car, it's going to be il n'y a pas de voiture. So where am I placing this negation thing? It's before y and it's after a, that is our verb. So after the verb we are going to place pa, and before the pronoun e we are going to place n. So il n'y a pas de voiture. Il n'y a pas 5 stylos sur la table. There are not 5 pens on the table. Now let's have a look at the question format. So if I want to ask, is there a car? Is there a car? So for that it's going to be y a-t-il une voiture? Y a-t-il une voiture? So here for asking the question, the format is going to change from il y a to y a-t-il. Y a-t-il une voiture? Y a-t-il des stylos sur la table? Are there pens on the table? Are there pens on the table? So it's going to be y a-t-il des stylos sur la table? Y a-t-il un chat dans la maison? Is there a cat in the house? Y a-t-il des livres dans mon sac? Are there books in my bag? So did you notice? Again, in case of the questions also, for asking questions which are related to is there, I'm going to use y a-t-il. For questions related to are there, again I'm going to use the phrase y a-t-il. Alright? So once again, what did we see? We saw for there is and there are, we saw for negation, and we saw how to frame questions in French. So I hope this topic was clear with you all, and I would like to see few phrases related to this y a-t-il. Drop them down in the comment section below, and if you like the video then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated for the future videos. À bientôt!